Hey, please hold on. I'm just here to show you a very simple way you can measure your cake ingredients to bake a very simple, soft and fluffy cake base like this for your simple decorations. Before I show you that, let me introduce myself. My name is Zidel and I am the founder, the CEO, the creator, the everything of this YouTube channel, Zil Cooks, where we only cook good food, eat and love one another. So do consider to hit that subscription button down below, and I promise to bring you amazing recipes that you can try at home with your families and loved ones. As always, the first rule in baking is preheating the oven before anything else. So preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Then proceed by preparing the cake tin. Coat the tin with butter and flour. I tell you, this baking strip right here is very useful and very practical. It helps your cake to come up with a really nice shape, prevents your cake from drying out, and it helps your cake to retain most of its moisture. So I recommend you get this if you really love baking cakes. So the oven is checked and the cake tin is ready. Let's go straight into measurements. Get 3 equal glasses and number them 1, 2, 3. In the first glass, crack 5 eggs. Add sugar in the second glass so that it be at the same level as the first glass. And in the third glass, measure equal parts of flour and cornstarch so that it be at the same level as the first and second glass. Finish it up by adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and nutmeg for flavoring. For extra moisture, mix 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and set aside. The next step is whisking eggs and sugar until very fluffy. If you don't have a stand mixer, then you can use a hand whisk, but know that it's gonna take more time to be fluffy. This is how your egg and sugar to look like after whisking for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now divide the dry ingredients into 3 parts. Sieve in the first part and gently fold in with a spatula until just combined. Then repeat for the remaining 2 parts. Lastly, add oil and milk mixture and mix. Pour the batter in the cake tin. For this particular recipe, I recommend you use a larger cake tin. As you can see, it looks like my cake tin is quite small. So I pray it doesn't overflow. Tap the bottom of the pan to release some air bubbles. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes until it is done on the inside and golden brown on the outside. After 45 minutes, this is our cake base. Just take out the strip and let the cake to cool down. After cooling down, slice into rings and your cake is ready to be decorated. That, my friend, is how you can make a very simple cake base for your decoration. I hope you enjoyed watching the video just as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, do whatever you want to do with the post, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.